In this video, I will show you how you can get Fall Guys on your PC in 2020 or beyond. And keep in mind that I'm not showing you how you can get it for free. Simply, I will show you the process how you can basically buy Fall Guys and play it on your PC. All right, and it's actually really simple. So the first step, what you need to do here is to go on Steam. So write Steam and then press on store.steampower.com. And once you do that, the other step what you need to do here is on search, write Fall Guys, as you can see here, press it, and then what you need to do here is you need to pick, as you can see here, Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout. You need to press this and purchase this one. And after you do that, what you need to do here is to press add to cart. All right, and as you can see here, you can purchase for yourself or purchase as a gift. So let's, for example, purchase for myself. And then what you need to do here is to log into your Steam account. And if you don't have Steam account, it's simple and free to you can basically create it for free. So I have my account, so I will write it. And after you log in, you basically have ability to purchase this game. And as you can see here, there is many different payment options. So you can purchase with PayPal, Web Money, PaySafeCard, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, GCB, and Skrill. So pick whatever payment method you want and press continue. And that's how you can basically purchase and download Fall Guys game on your PC. Alright, so if I help you out, press like button and subscribe for more similar content. Take care, bye.